gonna start DAing this with a 400, and then bring it down with 800 wet. Sand the whole thing. All this too. Meanwhile, Eric over there, he's gonna be 800 wet sanding. All of this part right here, that part right there, and on the other side to get this top finish.
We got it all taped up, so all these pieces, dash pieces, these are all being Raptor painted. The inside of this, got this taped up too. This is being Raptor painted as well.
Did it say how much the percentage I can thin it? Up to 10% tint, reduced to a maximum of 15% with texture for about 25% more coverage. Okay, so 25% of 750 millimeters, 1/4 of 750, half of 375, and half of 375 is 150 plus 37, so that's 187 millimeters.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
Not wrong.
I bet I ain't off but a couple millimeters, right? So we're going to put it in here because there's lumps in the bottom, right? All right. So now we're going to take this and I'm going to mix it old-fashioned way, right? And we need one more of these. Let's see what she shoots.
I know y'all like that.
I already got enough of everything, bro. Like facts. Shawty so good, she go. Huh? Facts. Get out of here, bro.
We're trying to get it out of here.
Yeah, but I didn't have it hooked up.
Yeah, I don't think it'll be toast. I don't even hear it click like it's a dead battery.
Exactly.
I think it's the plus.
The neutral.
All right.
You're good, you're good. Wet sand this, paint it, and it's done. Alright, y'all, this is our next project.
Quote unquote next project, because we don't really know, bro.
Yeah, I don't know about this, man. I mean, is this restorable, bro?
Nah.
You think so?
It's locked in, my guy.
Bro, look at this, look at this, look at this.
Hey, bro,
See
when
this?
you
Look.
under...
A1, bro.
A1.
Wait. I think we can keep this, though. Yo, I mean, I said we could use this still. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. For you. Alright, guys. No. So, today's video.
Alright, so like...
And, Alright.
Fucking jumped over this.
Alright guys, so we're done for today. So far we have we completely got the Bronco ready for paint, as y'all seen in the video. We primed and we're this close to painting already, this close. So we just got a couple more steps and we'll be done.
Drive fast, take chances.